The top news headlines. Manipur DGP LM Kaute hails huge change in democratic exercise. Police nabbed 2 UNLF cadres involved in Raj Bhavan bomb incident. And Manipur celebrates Imoinu Festival 2021 with great fervour. A very good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur English News at 6:30 p.m. This is MASACO giving you the latest news updates. Before we move on to the news, a COVID advisory for the general public. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to minimize the spread of coronavirus as much as possible. Wash your hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds. Using an alcohol-based sanitizer also helps keep the virus at bay. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid stepping out unless absolutely necessary. Always wear a mask before stepping out and even in your own home in the presence of outsiders, as masks have been proven effective in containing the virus. Maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters in public places. And now the news in details. Chief Electoral Officer Manipur today celebrated the 11th National Voters' Day 2021 under the theme Making Our Voters Empowered, Vigilant, Safe and Informed at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. The Director General of Police LM Kaute attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, LM Kaute appreciated EPIC mobile application, an initiative taken by the CEO. He stated that he is also closely associated with the election process over 3 decades of his career and that the police department is closely working together with various stakeholders in the government as well as in other arenas. Comparing how the past elections were conducted with the present, there is a big change in the methodologies, strategies and in the spirit of important democratic exercise. In the past, due to lack of infrastructure and security forces, we faced a lot of problems in terms of security in the hill areas, and elections in those days were very difficult exercise. He appreciated the progress that has been achieved by the Election Commission of India, which has applied all the present mechanisms, which has bolstered election mechanism in the country and in the state in particular. P.K. Singh, CEO, in his speech said that we as citizens of India take pride in calling ourselves the largest democracy, even though we may not be the most developed country. Election after election, we have demonstrated that the fabric of democracy has strengthened. We look at the way we held our elections. Within 6 or 7 hours, the results are out without any controversy in any state where the general elections were held. This is the day when we celebrate this democracy of ours in the state and district levels. The CEO showed his appreciation to all the ROs, DEOs, EROs and BLOs for all support they have rendered. He also stated that the state has 100% EPIC coverage and that from 26th January, the CEO will launch EPIC mobile application, which will be the first in the country. State awards were also conferred to Nita Arambam, IAS, for Best All-Round Performer and EROs of 30 Lilong constituency, 27 Moirang and 29 Kumbi constituencies, 7 Andro constituencies, 21 Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency, 22 Wangoi, 58 Churachandpur constituency, 50 Kangpokpi constituency, and to 61 BLOs, including 1 late Shengam LH. EPIC cards and badges were also distributed to 11 newly enrolled voters and also to 4 SVEEP icons. Nungsitombi Athokpam, State Election Commissioner Manipur, K. Bono Singh and Joint Secretary Election attended the function.
Aware of the requirements of the value of democracy, the need for having a free and fair election, the need for electing the best representatives or the best candidate who would be representing them, who would be sitting in the parliament, who would be sitting in the assembly to govern the country or the state on their behalf.
India today celebrated National Voters' Day to mark the foundation of the Election Commission of the country. The body is responsible for the conduct of elections, an important part of a democracy. The right to cast a vote makes a citizen responsible for their choice of representation, and this right should not be treated lightly. Each year, the ECI organizes special events to make people aware of the huge weight of the right to vote and the importance of casting a vote in a democracy. Giving the messages to the public about this year's National Voters' Day today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about the remarkable contribution of the ECI in a tweet. Modi said the efforts of the Election Commission helped strengthen our democratic fabric and ensure smooth conduct of elections. Imphal West District Police arrested 2 cadres of the banned UNLF involved in the January 19th Raj Bhavan Gate bomb incident. Inspector General of Police IGP Jayant Kumar urged the public members to inform the police if they come across any suspicious objects. Imphal West Police held a press conference at the conference hall of Superintendent of Police Imphal West today. DIG Thimthing Ngasangwa informed that a team comprising of Imphal West Additional Superintendent of Police and Sub-Divisional Police Officer SDPO Imphal has been investigating the Raj Bhavan Gate bomb incident. After receiving information, a police team conducted search operation at Khongman Zone 3, Lisam Lairak yesterday, during which the team apprehended Lisam Ibosana Meitei, alias Jojo, alias Kengba, alias Michael, alias Red, aged 42 years, son of late Shamungo of Lisam Lairak, a UNLF cadre who is currently on bail. The team also recovered 8 circuit devices, 2 remotes, 1 mobile handset and 2 SIM cards from his possession. Upon spot verification, Ibosanak admitted to the crime. DIG Thimthing Ngasangwa further said that in the follow-up investigation, the team further arrested another UNLF cadre involved in the incident this morning. He has been identified as Konsab Manithoi Singh, aged 46 years, son of K. Bihari from Lairik Yengbam Lekai, Salamthong. Konsan Manithoi is also currently on bail. The team recovered 1 I-20 car, 1 pleasure scooter and 4 mobile handsets from him. Ngasangwa said the duo was also involved in the recent bomb plantations at Lilashing Kongangkong, AG Office Gate and Yai School Police Lane in Imphal.
Bomb timer gi, along with 2 remote controls. So effort is on. Ojeki circuit shu man shu yam lot pa le hai bagi information shu le bani na mathang tori. Aduga magi one of the red scooty ma shu phakat ki nashi, along with 1 I-20 shu ekoi phakat ki. Adubu adai shu phakat bu shu yam le hojeki sida investigation to basida. So investigation in full swing. These are some of the in view of the fact that Republic Day security beef up to Bishida Marakshida to but the alertness lay big Pangbadingam Kibini.
DIG Jayant Kumar suspected there are still more explosives which need to be recovered. He added that the bomb threat at the Raj Bhavan Gate was to create obstruction to Republic Day celebration in the state.
Any unidentified suspicious object ama locate tawrba urab taradi manak naktana leiba police natraga keno da pau pibiu adumaina tawrodi akoina keno se yamna phajana mayamgi further damages, loss of innocent lives keno kumisdigi akoi section na hongnaba.
Imoinu Festival 2021 is being celebrated across Manipur with great religious fervor today. Ima Imoinu Iratpa ritual is performed at every home and in public places on the 12th day of the Wakching month of Meitei lunar calendar. The Meitei community of Manipur celebrates the festival. It is believed Ima Imoinu, the goddess of wealth and purity, lands on the earth every year on this day and visits every home to shower her blessings. Crowds thronged marketplaces for buying goods of the festival. Imoinu Ima Irat Thogal Lup sector also celebrates the festival. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Meitei community, on the occasion of Imoinu Iratpa. May this festival bring abundant joy and happiness, prosperity and peace in Manipur, Dr. Ranjan said in his message. And now it's time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
TOMTV Music Video Album Competition. Chaliba chahi sigi manungda nambiba hiram ama hekta da yumpham oiduna sembiba music video album sing athoi hen changdamnaba ama TOMTV na Film Forum Manipur ga khusamnaduna pangthok cheragani. Best Music Video Album da lupa lising yankhai gi mana amadi atai mana kya su thamjariba changdamnaba sida saruk yabiningba singna video album sing thazin biraknaba akupa moral gidamak office matamda 9774 078 983 da pau phobiro. Kanghanjariba TOMTV Times of Manipur.
Welcome to our Career Launcher, a coaching institute for HSLC NEET 11 and 12 standard. We are introducing a new HSLC crash course for a duration of 6 weeks, commencing from 9th January, where we will be providing live online classes, doubt clearing sessions, analysis of previous year questions, and online evaluation. For more details, scan a QR code. You can also visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com for registration. You can also download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 600-9063-622 or 600-9139-770. We have started with our registration, so what are you waiting for? Join now.
Marks Time Classes. CBSE gi amata ngairaba chahi khudingi leptana state topper puthokliba Marks Time Classes Uripok branch ki foundation amasung revision gi class 8 gi 12 fawb gi form thaba hojari. Akupamorol gi dama contact tawbirau Marks Time Classes Uripok near flyover bridge natraga Wangkhai Mahopam Lampak. Contact number 9436 288 300 natraga 8974 736 391.
Teachers are really helpful and are out here to help you in the best way they can. They're not egoistic and are really helpful.
For exam preparation, I recommend Markson is one of the best coaching centers in the world. We inculcate friendly learning environment and all the teachers here are also perfect. I recommend all my friends to come and join us. Let's create toppers.
Akan banong lay nuksit kaya laklabasu. Apik pa natraga achoba yum oirabasu. Paglang sina pumnamak mayok na bangami. Yam nakali amadi chahi kaya chatli. Barak Valley gi masak oiriba akan bagi atopa maming amo oiriba Valley Strong Cement. Valley Strong, very strong.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Chief Minister N. Biren extended warmest greetings to the people of Manipur on Republic Day 2021. On this historic occasion, let us rededicate ourselves to faithfully discharge our fundamental duties as responsible citizens and be proactive partners in nation building, Chief Minister urged in his message. Minister Okram Henry also extended his heartfelt greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Republic Day 2021. Manipur is all geared up to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day celebration tomorrow amid boycott by several militant outfits. The Manipur government has announced awards to be conferred on police officials and personnel during the Republic Day celebration. President Police Medal for Distinguished Service will be conferred on IGP E. Priyokumar Singh and 6th IRB Subedar M. Ibobi Singh. Police Medal for Meritorious Service will be given to 4th IRB Subedar Dimartan Singh, CID Sub-Inspector Tuanjaho Simte, 6th IRB Havaldar Rongshong Leia, 1st IRB Rifleman Mohammad Shahid Ahmed, 1st MR Havaldar Sanbam Bishorjit Singh, MPTC Havaldar A.S. Mayunkoi Zimik, MPTC Havaldar Lukram Lenin Meite, Ati Utkrisht Seva Padak will be conferred on MPTC Director R.K. Tutusana, 1st MR Havaldar KSH Rajan. Utkrisht Seva Padak will be given to 1st MR Havaldar L. Deben and Rifleman Yumnam Milan. Antrik Suraksha Seva Padak for Northeast Region will be conferred on ADGP C. Daungil and DIG Range 2 Kabib K. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today conveyed their heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur, particularly the Zeliangrong Brethren, on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Gan Ngai 2021. In his message, Chief Minister Biren said, "May the festival bring happiness and prosperity and also spread the message of unity, peace and brotherhood amongst all the communities of the state." Minister Okram Henry also extended his best wishes to the Zeliangrong community on the occasion of Gan Ngai. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Zeliangrong community, on the occasion of Gan Ngai, the post-harvest festival. The Indigenous Peoples Association of Kangleipak, Ipak, Manipur, also extended best wishes to the Kabui community on the occasion of Gan Ngai. BJP Manipur in charge Sambit Patra attended a one-day district-level meeting today at District Council Hall, Kangpokpi of Southern Hills District. Manipur and Nagaland in charge Abhay Kumar Giri, Manipur Unit BJP President Professor S. Tikendra, Kangpokpi Constituency MLA Nemcha Kipken and Saitu Constituency MLA Ngamthang Haukip attended the meeting. Leaders of Cycle Mandal, Kangpokpi Mandal and Saitu Mandal and BJP workers were also present at the meeting. BJP Manipur in charge Sambit called upon the people to extend their support to strengthen BJP. Sambit has been attending BJP meetings in the hills since his arrival in the state on January 18th.
Unit where you win the election is the booth, is it not? Yes. So you are the people who lay the foundation stone of Bharatiya Janata Party. Without you, BJP is nothing. You are the building blocks of Bharatiya Janata Party. So we have come to request you, to pray to you, to submit to you that let's work hard.
Works Minister T.H. Biswajit today unveiled a renovated 70-year-old Ningomthong rural market shed. The market shed was revamped under RKVY scheme. The minister also inaugurated a community hall constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund at Khongman Zone 5. Speaking on the occasion, T.H. Biswajit said that with the renovation of the market shed and construction of the community hall, the locals will no longer face inconveniences. Criticizing the previous Congress government in the state, he said that there was no development in the state during the Congress regime. He said that since the BJP-led government came to power, the state has witnessed progress and advancement in various sectors.
Education is the only way to fight poverty in Harami. And education education department human resource Nasi Pali Punamaxing Pitribi the Tola Punamaxing Mineral Prakriti Nature mineral resource, so many resources. Tawadabu Mio Bagi human resources in Maram Warkana City, high river mineral in a kind of Chakotpaki Mangal, Pomangami Nemuze. Aduna the Kari Kale, Akoji, sustainably Chakonamata, education der Kale, Adabu education Lauraga, Adabu iconic education, Sita Wadabani, high Harkana, Iconic Channing Island, Trika Chadabu, education Kai Tabangam do you know.
Aprilia SXR 160 scooter, a brand new model of Piaggio Motors, was launched at Tulashi Motors located at Koyathong in Imphal today. Tulashi Motors is one of the distributors of Piaggio Motors. TOMTV editor Jeet Ningomba formally launched the Aprilia SXR 160 during a simple function. During the launch program, Jeet Ningomba lauded Tulashi Motors for providing easy vehicle loan to the people for years in the state. Students, journalists, businessmen and many others have benefited from the loan provided by the distributor, he mentioned.
Manipur ki lambi thonga chanagadaba adugumba gari kya puthokna Manipur purakpasi afawani. At the same time, maruina koi Tulsi Motors na mamangai de bisu hongna koi Manipur de ba tuan ba form singi, Paumi singi, gari sing loan pidana. At the same time, ato pangang class 11 12 pangang singishu loan pidana. Adum my EMI si handana thiraga mayanda fongana buhondari aduga haibira pagi matung na haiba gari asi India khaki oina khallaga chaba model hai tak pi detail du di koi managing director na phongbi gani haibi gani.
Tulashi Motors General Manager Saubam Deepu at the event said the newly launched Aprilia SXR 160 model is a sports variant. He also said the road price of this two-wheeler is Rs 1,53,731.
Comfort zone single cylinders 3-valve engine 7 liters fuel capacity air cool glossy red, blue, white, black color available Tulsi Motors down payment 10% government employees, private employees, Masagi Central self employees
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board and Oinam Constituency MLA L. Radha Kishore today said one should choose only one track, be it sports, business, politics or any interested field, to become successful in life. He said this during the inauguration of Kaino Library and Sports Association Football Club, Klasa FC, Kaino, under the sponsorship of Boyo Private Limited. He further stated that a person who loves sports can also flourish in the field and earn a decent living. He cited that he joined politics as his career to bring about some changes in society, especially in the field of environment. He appealed to all to join hands in saving the ecological imbalance. He said ecological imbalance can severely affect the human existence. New uniforms for Klasa and sports kits were also distributed during the program. Many donated footballs, boots and other stuffs to the club. Member of Kaino Zilla Parishad, Y. Somananda, Pradhan of Kaino Gram Panchayat, NG Sovana Devi, President of Klasa FC and President of People's Welfare Association, Y. Norton, Director of Boyo Private Limited, N. Toitoi, and members of Kaino Gram Panchayat were also present during the program. And now it's time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Khanganzab Thobal Kendrogi Manungda Leiba Kangla Water gi customers sing the Khanganzari Madudi Kangla Water da Hana registration di Taukraba ising di Panghodriba customers singna Isa Isagi registration receipt Pubira Aga Thobal Kekman Mathak Lekai da Leiba Bhavna Kangla Foods and its products tagi ising Lobina Bahizari Loina na retailer Amadi wholesaler singda Ahuma Mamalda ising Panganbagi Kudong Java Supizari Hena Akupa Marol Gidama contact Tobiro Bhavna Kangla Foods and its product Thobal Kekman Mathak Lekai. Contact number 7005123633 Natraga 9366279959.
Iramdam asidasu anauba oina world class machine sizinaduna 20 steps refining eye testing gi facility phanghanjari. Leo Lamlong Excellency Opticals, Khurai Lamlong Bazaar, Tinshit Road, Imphal East.
Adomgidamakta khudongchaba asi pijari. Adomgi mit lemna test taujari amasung adomgi chanaba chunaba lens sing amadi frame singda chada kun fawgi discount pijari. Leo Lamlong Excellency Opticals, Khurai Lamlong Bazaar, Tinchit Road, Imphal East.
Seventh Heaven, a slice of happiness. India's largest bakery chain, now at Porompat Soibam Laikai and Kaisampat Konzeng Hazari Laikai. Percent pure veg bakery which provide fresh cake in just 7 minutes. Cakes of all designs, shapes and sizes available at reasonable and affordable price. Half kg cakes starts at Rs 310 only. Home delivery also available. To order and for more details, please contact for Porompat 9366 818369 and for Kaisampat 7988662413. Bir Tikendrajit University. Admission open for all courses. More than 50 career opportunities available. BA, BSc, BBA, MA, MSc, MBA and many more. For more details, please contact Bir Bir Tikendrajit University, Kanchipur, near Manipur University, Southview, 795003. Bir Tikendrajit University, a place where you can achieve more. Tom Cable ki subscriber sing da khangan jari madudi subscriber sing na channel suna amadi ayat apan yaudana yengbinaba recharge tawiyu. Pizariba package sing de basic package ta lupa chani amadi atopa package sing da lupa chahum yankhai chamri amadi chamri yankhai pijari. Recharge taunabagi makhada pijariba kuthang ahum asidagi khanbiyu. Ahanbada online recharge. Online da recharge taunabagi tomtv.co.in da changbiduna yamna laiba process ta recharge tawiyu. Anisubada distributor recharge. Isa ki distributor singda monthly subscription submit tawiduna recharge tawiyu. Natraga ahum subada office recharge. Uripok khoisnam lekai da leiba TOMTV ki office ta laktuna recharge tawiyu. Khanghan jariba Tom Cable Uripok khoisnam lekai Imphal. Ekoi contact number 89742790999 natraga 8132089758.
Welcome back after the break. 11th National Voters' Day 2021 was celebrated in Imphal West District today. The functions were held at district, sub-district and booth levels. District Election Officer, DC, Additional Deputy Commissioner and SDOs, EROs, SDOs, Imphal West were present on the occasion. All the attendees took the National Voters' Day pledge at the event. EPIC's NVD caps and T-shirts were distributed to the newly enrolled electors. India added 13,203 coronavirus infections in 24 hours, taking its tally to 1.84 crore, the Health Ministry data this morning showed. The number of fresh infections is 11% lower than yesterday, when the country registered 14,849 cases. In the 24-hour period, India reported 131 deaths linked to the virus, taking the total number of fatalities to 1,53,470. In Manipur, the COVID-19 case count has reached 28,986, with 14 new cases reported in the last 24 hours, as per the data provided by the State COVID-19 Common Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kaching, Senapati, Tamenglong and Churachandpur districts. The death toll in the state stands at 369. The number of active cases is 201, while the recovery cases stand at 28,416 as at 11 a.m. The state's recovery rate has improved to 98.03%. A team of Imphal East, assisted by Women Commando and Porompat Police Station, searched houses at Hatta Golapti area this morning. Security forces in Manipur has been conducting routine search operation ahead of Republic Day celebrations. The cops verified 135 people and searched 70 houses. One person along with an Alto car without registration number was picked up for further verification. On the eve of Republic Day, a team of Imphal West Commando conducted a house-to-house search operation at Thangmeiban Yumnam Lekai, Maisnam Lekai and Sinam Lekai of Imphal West this morning. In the operation, around 160 houses were searched and around 200 individuals were verified. However, there were no reports of detention. Apunba Singmi Lup and Chinbal Lema Development Committee today celebrated the 8th Ima Thogal at Ghari Makhalekai Community Hall. The organizations, along with Sangaipro Naharol Club, also celebrated the 2nd Ima Thogal Numit at the Sangaipro Community Hall.
Fazaba tinjang kajang daba manaba khunai amagi anobo jawongi maira adu horliba nahasing galoina nak tungi miron gidama apunbagi pangan sagat naminabagi tanja adu akhoi laujagani haiba tanja asida akhoi iramda masi leiriba khwai punamakna akhoi lengthok piraktuna saruk yaminaduna aigi ima singi amata ngaiba nungai yaifaba sugumnaba akhoi nim asiga mai lenana iramda masida leiriba akhoi khudimakna mapu amo oibagi akhoi phirep singa loinana akhoi maira adu suminarasi haiduna ireisa kanglisa singi pukningbusu hanahana singsanjari.
And now, before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. Manipur DGP LM Kaute hailed huge change in democratic exercise. Police nabbed 2 UNLF cadres involved in Raj Bhavan bomb incident. And Manipur celebrates Imoinu Festival 2021 with great fervor. And that's all for the English news at 6:30 p.m. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.